Welcome to Bike Buzz. Today, we are talking about one of India's most trusted commuter motorcycles, the 2025 Hero Splendor 125. Known for its fuel efficiency, durability, and affordability, the Splendor series has been a favorite for decades. With the 2025 update, Hero MotoCorp is expected to bring fresh upgrades while keeping its core strengths intact. Let's see what's new. Refreshed design with modern touches. The 2025 Splendor 125 will retain its simple yet stylish commuter-friendly design, but with a few enhancements. Expect a redesigned front fascia, LED dials, new alloy wheels, and updated body graphics. Hero may also introduce new dual-tone color options, making it look more premium while maintaining its practical appeal. More refined and fuel-efficient 125 cubic centimeters engine. Powering the new Splendor will be a 124.7 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, producing around 10.5 PS and 10.5 Nm of torque. With Hero's i3S idle stop-start system and BS6 Phase 2 compliance, the bike will offer better fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and a smoother ride. The 5-speed gearbox may be refined for improved city commuting. Comfortable ride and practical features. Hero may enhance the suspension setup with telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers tuned for improved comfort. The longer seat and upright riding posture will continue to make it an excellent choice for daily commuting. Additionally, the USB charging port and semi-digital instrument cluster with real-time mileage indicators could be added for better convenience. Improved braking and safety. The 2025 Splendor 125 will likely come with integrated braking system, IBS, as standard, with front disc and rear drum brake options for better stopping power. Hero might also introduce a new frame design, making the bike lighter yet stronger for improved stability on city roads. Expected price and launch. The 2025 Hero Splendor 125 is expected to be priced between 80,000 Indian rupees to 90,000 Indian rupees, ex-showroom. A launch is anticipated in early 2025, keeping it competitive against rivals like the Honda Shine 125, Bajaj CT 125X, and TV's Raider 125. Would you choose the new Splendor 125 as your daily commuter? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Buzz for more two-wheeler updates and reviews. Stay tuned.